Here is a short, simple guide to assembling your mop. The handle comes in 3 parts. These parts slot together like so. You might find it useful to tap the handle on the floor to close up the joints and make it nice and tight. You'll notice that one end of the handle has a thread on it and the other has a grey stopper. The grey stopper can be removed and exchanged for the one which matches the colour of the head supplied. To change them over, simply pull off the grey one and push on the new one, which in this case is red. You will also notice that inside the mop head is a thread which matches the thread on the handle. To complete assembly of the mop, screw the handle into the mop head tightly as shown. Your mop is now ready for use.